Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn the 15 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 if you have 100k. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you a step-by-step guide to the 15 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 if you have 100,000 US dollars. If you're excited and ready to learn more about the 15 cryptocurrencies, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. 2009 was a special year for crypto investors because it was the year that the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, whose real name is probably unknown. And since then, cryptocurrency has been pretty successful. Here are my 15 favorite cryptocurrencies to invest in if I have 100,000 US dollars. The first is Ethereum, which will be about 30,000 US dollars. Then Bitcoin for 10,000 US dollars. We also have Solana, which also goes for 10,000 US dollars. In addition, Cardano, which also referred to as ADA, is 5,000 US dollars. Dogecoin, I will pay 5,000 US dollars for it. Shiba Inu, also 5,000 US dollars. Decentraland, going for 10,000 US dollars. Internet Computer, 2,000 US dollars. Litecoins, 3,000 US dollars. Polygon, 3,000 US dollars. Binance Coin, 6,000 US dollars. Link, 4,000 US dollars. Polkadot, I will pay 3,000 US dollars for this. And for Uniswap, 2,000 US dollars. And Sia Coin, 2,000 US dollars as well, making a total of 100,000 US dollars. I know that many people will disagree with my choices, especially my decision to put only 10,000 US dollars on Bitcoin. But in my opinion, Bitcoin will not still be the biggest cryptocurrency on the planet in the near future. I think Ethereum, or a cryptocurrency built on the Ethereum blockchain, will take the lead in the cryptocurrency market. Lastly, I am not an expert or a specialist, but after doing my own research and comparing the two main cryptocurrencies, I think that Ethereum will go higher than expected. Tell me in the comments how you would invest 100,000 US dollars right now. Also, what do you think of my strategy? And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to also like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning the 15 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 if you have 100,000 US dollars. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure to watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.